Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here for DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the BuffBrite mountable LED buffing light. It's time to toss out that old headlamp. The BuffBrite Flamethrower is here. This 800 lumen rechargeable LED buffing light mounts to your favorite buffer or polisher, providing you a large area of light to locate and eliminate swirls and scratches. Mounting the Flamethrower onto your buffer is easy with the provided mounting hardware. You'll get everything you need. Let's go give the Flamethrower a shot. The BuffBrite Flamethrower is the perfect tool for any detailer. You'll cut down on buffing times and ensure that you're removing those swirls and scratches with ease when the light is attached to your buffer. For any more information on this product or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. We'll see you guys next time.